Launch date for Google's next Pixel device is approaching slowly. And as the day is approaching, leaks are pouring over. Even Google has joined in with everyone in leaking about their own product. In the history of all 4 generations of Pixel phone line, there were so many leaks and they got so thoroughly leaked, there was almost nothing to talk about at their launch events. Which made Google realize that they couldn't stop the leak, so instead they joined in with everyone in the form of confirming so that they can flush out all the negativity around the things people do not resonate with. So, without getting tangled in why Google is leaking their own product, let's get into what we know so far. Hello everyone, I'm Nick and you are watching Tech Square. Few months ago, the internet was filled with Pixel 4 leaks where it seemed like the Pixel 4 will follow the S10's design. But in mid-June, Google posted a photo of Pixel 4 on Twitter. The photo did not give out enough information, but we were able to learn that Google has moved away from its previous Pixel design language. The two-tone matte glass back is gone, replaced with a sleeker monolithic design with no fingerprint devo. Now, there are no confirmation if Google is going to introduce in-display fingerprints or just simply let go of fingerprint sensor altogether and rather opt for face unlock feature like the iPhone has. Among all these details, the most surprising confirmation was that the phone will incorporate a square camera module like the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max. Now, it was expected of Google to embrace multi-camera module trend, even though pictures taken with single camera of Pixel 3 and 3 XL had no other comparison on the market when it comes to picture quality. Fans of the Pixel devices are not happy about the modular camera design, however, they should be happy imagining how will be the image quality with 3 camera setup of their Pixel 4 and 4 XL. Google later posted a video that shows an interesting feature of the Pixel 4. In this video, Google confirms that the face unlock in the Pixel 4 is certainly going through a massive upgrade. Along with that, there will be a new motion gesture feature which will allow you to control certain aspect of the phone by just waving at it. We were also able to see the display of the Pixel 4 from the leaks. And if you want my one-word opinion about it, then I would just say, it's ugly. Sure, there were no notch. Instead, there is a big forehead. And that forehead is an abomination, the ugliest thing ever. Although in Google's defense, they had to put the sensor for the face unlock and hand gesture to work. However, with every phone manufacturer making their phones more and more bezel-less, Pixel 4 XL's forehead is a huge step backwards. Another thing, the leaks confirmed that the Pixel 4 XL will let go of the headphone jack like the iPhone and Samsung Note series. Now, I have mixed feelings about this. I understand the necessity and appeal for headphone jack. But I'm also a big fan of true wireless stereo earbuds and the convenience they offer. Most of the phone manufacturers have their own line of true wireless stereo earbuds. Along with that, there are numerous other companies offering TWS earbuds. Some of them are really good and some of them are just bad. Anyways, the market is yet to embrace TWS earbuds. And with Google along with Samsung and Apple trying to push this into market could be a good thing. With more people pushed into buying TWS earbuds, the industry will finally have the level of acceptance to help them grow more, and maybe the development of TWS earbuds will be expedited. The Pixel 4 and 4 XL is rumored to be equipped with Snapdragon 855, which is the gold standard in this year's flagship models. It will also likely to be powered by 6GB RAM, which is a bigger jump and a better improvement than last year. Both Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL is also likely to come in 64 and 128 variants. Although these specs are not confirmed through a verified source yet. The display is rumored to be protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 6, which is also the standard in every flagship released this year. The display will see an update from 60Hz to 90Hz refresh rate, which will offer more robust gaming experience. The Pixel 4 XL may feature a 3700 mAh battery. Anyways, most of these leaks are about the Pixel 4 XL. There aren't much on the Pixel 4, and most of the things that you found online and covered in this video are just mere speculation. Pixel 4 and 4 XL is likely to be the second phone to be shipped with Android 10. Although Huawei Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro is going to be the first phones of this year to be shipped with Android 10, however, Mate 30 series phones will lack the support and services from Google. So Pixel devices will technically be the first phones with full Android 10 with all the supports and convenience from Google. Google has already released full Android Q, or otherwise known as Android 10, for everyone. Although Google ditched their alphabetic desert name and has been calling it Android 10. With Android 10, Pixel phones will ship with some new features and UI update. From this version of Android, the back button will be gone. Instead, we will get a gesture-based navigation system. In this version of Android, we are also going to get system-wide dark mode. It can be turned on and off at any time via a quick settings toggle. Also, Google created a new API that will allow developers to make their app act like they got a dark theme when the system-wide dark mode is turned on, even if the original app lacks a full dark mode. It may take some time for your favorite app to cope up with this feature. Also, with Android 10, Google took privacy as a bigger concern than ever before. Apps that ask for your location now reveal a new pop-up asking if you want to grant location access either all the time or only when the app is being used, or not at all. So you will have better understanding and more control over what exactly apps on your phone have access to. This year has seen several great smartphones like the Samsung Galaxy S and Note series from Samsung, Apple's iPhone 11 lineup, OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro, Huawei's P30 series, and recently announced Mate 30 series phones. All these phones are equipped with industry-leading hardware and packed with amazing new features. For example, Samsung Note 10 series is yet again the perfect phone that offers stable and reliable performance with great camera features and picture quality. Although the camera configuration is exactly as it was in the Galaxy S series, however, both phone lineups offer great camera and overall performance. In OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro's case, they offer the most optimized phone in contrast with other flagships. While the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro lineup comes up with the best hardware from Apple and at a lesser price than before, the Apple phones are also great in this year. Which means that the Pixel 4 series has a tough competition and a lot of expectation on them. Especially with Pixel 3 being one of the best smartphones from last year, a lot of people are counting on this year's Pixel. They have to offer really great performance and should come equipped with tons of features. The triple camera setup, robust face unlock feature, and wave gesture feature sure raises hope for the device. And all the rumored spec makes the hope firmer that Pixel 4 and 4 XL devices will hold up their place against all those great phones that has been released this year and are still expected to be released. Anyways, that's all with our Pixel 4 expectation. If you liked the video, please like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know what you think Google is going to do with their Pixel 4 lineup in this year. And for more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.